I've been up since like 9 AM. We're now at 3 o'clock and I've been looking to rent a camera all morning. Like my camera got stolen like 2 days ago and now I've got no camera. So I've bought a new camera, but I still need one for, you know, the next few days. After an hour in this bloody place, we've got a camera set up to use until my camera setup turns up. Holy shit, this has been stressful. Yo guys, what is good? So basically you just saw me hire out this camera that I am recording on, because this week was another nightmare for me. Like, I don't know what it is, like for the last 6 weeks, 2 months, like my life has just been going crazier and crazier and more stress and more stress, and that's why I haven't been uploading. Like, I haven't honestly been like happy, I've been really down, and basically I need to switch that all around. We need to just go, move forward, no matter what happens. Like, we just need to power through and get through stuff. But yes, my camera got stolen this week. So I didn't lose it, like I didn't misplace it, no, like genuinely someone stole my camera this week. So that was an absolute nightmare. I lost 2 videos because of that camera. I had my SD card with 2 videos on it. So it wasn't just like I lost the camera and I have to now go and spend £3,000 on a camera. I also lost 2 videos that, you know, I was working hard on because I was trying to get more content out for you guys. Also guys, if you're new to my channel and you've never seen one of my videos before, or maybe you have and you just haven't subscribed, then please subscribe right now. As I said, this is the new season, episode 1. We are back. Tell your friends about it. Subscribe right now. It literally takes like 2 seconds, well, maybe 3, because you need to like the video as well. So take 3 seconds out of your time, subscribe, and please like the video. But let's forget that and welcome to the new We'll try again. But anyways guys, let's forget that and welcome to the new season of Ari Petru Vlogs. We're gonna be calling this season the I'm Back 2020 season. So guys, this is episode, I'm gonna put you down. This is episode 1, and basically I just got the keys to my new apartment, and I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek, but I'm not gonna show you everything because eventually I wanna do a full house tour when everything's finished and everything looks insane for you guys to see. But anyways, let's go through the first door to my like living area, kitchen space area. I think it is pretty fire. We've got like a new chandelier put in, we've got a big mirror, we've got the TV on the wall, which I think looks really, really good. If you want to turn around, you have the kitchen. Really, really like the whole like marble vibe. Absolutely love this. We can just chill whenever we want. We can be cooking here, and then we're gonna eat here, and then we can watch TV over there. So we really, really just tried to create a bit of a vibe in here. I literally thought Pablito was taking a pee. Pablito. Okay guys, so enough of the kitchen area and the living area. I need to go through here and show you a bit more of the apartment. You can cut it now, but give me like 2 minutes, alright? Alright, cool.
2 hours later.
Hurry up, I want to film this video. Oh shh.
Oh shh. Sorry about that, guys. Basically, this is the bathroom, if you want to come and have a look. Looking all nice and modern and fresh with like this whole grey vibe going on, you know. Relax. Some Buddhas, some candles. Obviously, Aesop, only way. And yeah, that's basically the bathroom. Okay, so that is the bathroom. But anyways, what you guys are probably gonna wanna see the most is my room, where everything happens. So, guys, let's head to the man cave. So, come this way. When you come in, obviously, man cave sign, so you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. And in here, we have the man cave. So the other day, I literally built this desk myself. I'm gonna have a whole separate video on that. Something like DIY, how to make the perfect desk or something like that, because I couldn't find the perfect desk. The desk I already had was way too long, it didn't fit this room, so I went to IKEA and basically made the desk myself. So look forward to that video coming up. But on this side of the room, I have all my crepe crates. I've actually had to get rid of loads of them because this is pretty much like the max amount of crepe crates I can have in this room without them just being everywhere and looking ugly. Obviously, we have the Supreme bike right here, which is probably my most expensive Supreme item. Okay, so this is the desk. Pablito! Pablito. We are trying to film a YouTube video. Also guys, sorry about the lighting in this room. I know it's not right. There's not enough like ceiling lights in here. So what I've done is I've just ordered like 2 Elgato key lights. So that's gonna make the room really bright and really white and perfect for video. I have an iMac Pro right here, and then I have an Alienware monitor on that side. As I said, I don't want to show you too much yet because I want to do a full apartment tour properly. But yeah, this is where I've been hanging out basically since I've been in this apartment. And then on this side, basically we have just wardrobes. That's all my trousers. And then, so yeah, that is pretty much everything I want to show you for now in this room. And then last but, it's not least, but it's not the most interesting thing in the planet. In here, we have the bedroom where the magic happens. We put some brick wallpaper on there, some nice lights, just dressed it up and try to make it look as nice as possible. I just want to talk to you guys a little bit. Obviously, I haven't posted on YouTube for like nearly over a month, which I think is the longest time I haven't posted for. So what I want to do is I want to get an upload schedule. Like I want myself to be organized. I want to get myself in like a serious routine. I'll wake up every day, take Pablito for a walk, go to the gym, start working on videos. Like I need to get my life like back in order. The last, I don't know, a few months for me have been really, really tough, as I've told you. I had like an awful sewage flood in my house. Like who has a sewage flood? Like literally this toilet exploded whilst I was away, and I came back and no joke, my whole house was covered in shit, like actual shit everywhere. Shit on the floor, shit on the walls, falling from the walls, shit on my clothes, shit on the carpet. Everywhere. It was awful. I'm gonna put literally, I'm gonna put some videos on the screen. It is absolutely awful what happened in my last place. So yeah, you can just see what I was kind of going through. It was horrendous. So that is why I haven't posted, because I had to get out of that place. Then I was homeless for a while. I had to live in a hotel. It was Christmas period, and then when I needed to find a new apartment, I couldn't find one. And then because we have little Pablito, a couple of places didn't want to take us because they didn't accept dogs, and it just left me in limbo. Like I had no workspace, I had no space. I was living out of a duffel bag. It was really, really horrible, and that's why I'm so happy to bring you this video and what I have done to my new place. And I'm happy in my new place, and I'm basically just ready to work. And that's why I need help from you guys, because I've never really had an upload schedule. I've kind of just posted when I wanted to, but I want to have an upload schedule. I'm gonna put 2 options down below on upload schedules. I'm gonna be posting twice a week in the YouTube comments down below on this video, and I want you to vote on which ones you would rather see, which days you would rather see me post a video. Next thing I want to tell you guys about is I am thinking to give away one of my AP watches on this channel. So if you are interested in that, smash the like on this video, subscribe right now, because as I said, I am back. This is episode 1. You're gonna see 2 videos from me every single week. So if your friends don't know about my channel, or if you guys haven't seen my channel before, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your mum, tell your granny. Ari Petru is back, and we are back with some consistent fire videos. And if you want to win an AP watch, then tell your friends this is the place to do it. So I didn't record an outro yesterday because I wanted to show you guys a few little recent pickups before we go. So the first thing is yellow bandana box logo, which these bandana box logo t-shirts are actually going for really low right now. So if you want to pick up one of these right now, you might as well. I got another bandana box logo. As I said, the bandanas are going for really low right now. I picked this one up for a really, really good price, and I really don't see the bandana box logos going any lower than the price that they are right now. So you might as well pick one up if you were thinking to. I was thinking about the baby blue ever since release, so when I saw it for a good price, I just had to pick it up. So that's the baby blue. Expect some fire Instagram pictures from me. If you don't follow my Instagram, you are missing out. It is at Ari Petru. It is on the screen. It is linked down below. If you don't follow me, change your life and follow me on Instagram. So that's 2 box logos. I picked up this hoodie. Now the new season Off-White stuff has just come out, and I think this hoodie is actually really, really cool. It's got like Black Widow spiders on it. Like the back of it is really, really cool. So you've got like that original Off-White X obviously, but then like these 2 huge Black Widow spiders on it, and then they're all over it. So I don't know. I actually think the new season Off-White is really, really cool. Just wanted to show you guys that. Also, let me know what you think about this backdrop for future videos. I'm going to be changing it up. I'm going to be experimenting, seeing where the best lighting is in the room, the best backdrops, etc. But guys, that is going to be it for episode 1. I know it was a bit more chilled and me just trying to talk to you. That's just because I haven't spoke to you guys in ages. It has been your boy, Ari Petru. As I said, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. It really, really will help me out. And please smash a like on the video, because the more likes it gets, as soon as it posts, YouTube boosts it up and the video can do better. And I need this video to do well. Thank you so much for supporting me. Anyone who supported me, thanks for all the kind messages as I was going through a really tough time. I really, really appreciate it. Guys, I'm going to round this one off from me and Heavenly to peace out.